Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friend, Virtusa, okay, whatever it is, has finally decided to hire. See, the main thing is what? Money. So 5 LPA for regular coder and 6.5 LPA for power coder. Okay, the coder with so much of power. Okay, regular coder means just coding. Okay, fine. Now who can apply? 2025 batch neural hackathon. Okay, so the registration window 12th of September till 3rd of October. Okay, so friends, I really liked it. 5 LPA and 6.5 LPA, a respectable salary than system engineer of Infosys, and again associate software engineer you say, or TCS Ninja role. Okay, so that is the reason. Innovate, collaborate and grow if they give you onboarding. Okay, now as the name said, Virtusa. Okay, fine. Eligibility criteria: 65% in 10th, 12th and degree. So that's a tough criteria. 65% is little tough. Okay, but anyway, stream BE Btech, IT, ECE, CSE and related branches like data science, AI, ML, cyber security, etc. means end. Okay, regular coder 5 LPA, basic to intermediate coding, intermediate to high level coding. Just 1.5 lakhs rupees will decide if you are a good coder. So a good coder has a value of just 1.5 lakhs per annum. So you do not worry if you find a good coder, okay, because they are getting sold just for 1.5 lakhs per annum. Okay, our hiring location: Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Pune. Roles offered: software developer and software tester. So here they have given the round details. It's a very good opportunity, friends, don't miss it. Registration period 12th of September to 3rd of October. Round 1 technical assessment plus communication round. Communication round has become very important now in every company. Round 2 coding assessment. Round 3 technical plus communication interview. The interview will be conducted in person at Virtusa office. And round 4 is HR discussion. Okay, fine. The assessment details will be shared with the eligible candidates once the registration is over. So friends, here they are going to basically give you the opportunity of making good resume, because they are telling the assessment details will be shared with the eligible candidate once the registration is over. So basically they will filter. So after this particular date, so what is the last date? The last date is where it went, 3rd of October. So after 3rd of October only they will be sharing the details with you. Aptitude and communication: so analytical ability and problem solving, numerical ability, grammar and vocab, reading comprehension, writing skill, coding and power coding. Friends, see, for every exam these things are mandatory. So aptitude, okay, reasoning, grammar, vocab, reading comprehension, writing skill, coding and power coding. So basically aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability and coding is required for every exam. And technical skills: Python, OOPS concept, OS general concept, MySQL, SQL, MySQL joins, MySQL, Selenium automation, core Java and manual testing. Okay, so these are the required things. So anyway, your duty is to just register. Friends, for 2025 batch also the opportunities will be there. Obviously it will be less as compared to 2026, but lot of opportunity will be there. Registration form, so please verify your email to continue with the registration. Okay, confirm your email. What happened? Virtusa. Okay, see, this also crashed or some virus attack. And then first name, last name, enter date of birth, primary number, alternate number, mobile number. Okay, address, line 1, address line 2, city, pin code, state, educational background. Yeah, this is something which is very weird here. So I don't know how are you going to fill the form, but definitely if you'll see, forget about attempting for the exam. If you multiple times if you try, you will definitely succeed in the registration itself. Okay, start your application. Okay, so there is some problem with the website and it should get resolved very soon. I don't think it is getting zoomed. Okay, but you have to see when the application forms works properly, that time you go and register. Okay, so fill your details and register as soon as possible and start your preparation. Friends, see, for every exam the preparation is required, so you keep preparing. Don't sit that when some kind of hiring will come and then you will start the preparation. No, that will not happen. Thank you, take care, and all the very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care, please. Bye bye.